Right, so hello everyone. I was sitting down and me thinking over something, so I decided to do this small project. If you have cited one of my videos on YouTube, you'll see that I made a video on a water tank. So we put it outside the room, and I wanted to bring it in. Miss Akpat will come outside to drink, so I wanted to make yung pump production come inside, water come inside. So I got a hose and me using now, as you can see, I cut out the lid. This is a gel bottle. Me wash and clean and finish. Me walkie holder, and yeah, cut the lid container. This is just to measure the number the container so that then cut him and straight. So yeah, so what I did is cutting out container, cutting angle when I messed up the hose to put hose from public so water come inside, and the other one gives him outlet for it to go out. So we some pan, and then this lid I'm stuck inside on them gel. Yeah, that is a hose for me been purchasing a couple of months ago. That's just to get the level inside the container. Yep. And then I'm making the prop. Yep, that's just to keep the edge of the container away from the actual prop. And then lid the container again, just to make it a smooth turn. There you go. So I'm making handle out of CD. I made a CD and then make handle out of another pen. And yeah, there you see there's a hose there on that side, and the lid blue pen and black one, black barrel, kilometric barrel. I'm just making hole them so it makes it easy for the hose to go in from that side, so that the edge of the hose goes all the way to the tank and then comes through the the pump, and then time and time I'm sucking water through that, go inside cup or when I'm inside a room to drink. So yeah, that is basically the idea. However, I know work good, so I'll do another one in the next video. See you later.